Yeah, welcome back students. Electromagnetic theory and transmission lines 2017 regular 2 marks questions and answers. The first question is define electric field and electric flux density. Okay, here electric field can also be called as electric field intensity. Now first of all I am going to define electric field intensity. The force acting on a unit positive charge is called as an electric field or electric field intensity. The force acting on a unit positive charge. The units are newtons per coulombs, or you can also write volts per meter. Now coming back to the electric flux density. The number of flux lines or simply flux crossing a unit cross sectional area is called electric flux density or displacement current. Or displacement density. This is electric flux density, flux upon unit area, coulombs per meter square. Then coming back to the second question, define electric dipole. In the previous video we have seen the magnetic dipole. Okay, here we are going to see define electric dipole, differentiate between polar and non-polar dielectric. First of all, we will see the electric dipole. When a positive and negative charge separated by a finite distance, then it is called as an electric dipole, a finite distance. This is an electric dipole. Now coming back to the polar and non-polar dielectrics. In polar dielectrics, electric dipoles exist. In non-polar dielectrics, electric dipoles are not exist. In polar dielectrics, dipoles are exist, but in non-polar dielectrics, dipoles do not exist. Okay, coming back to the next question, students. Third question. State and express the Stokes theorem. Refer 2019 supply video for this question. Then coming back to the fourth question, write down the Maxwell's equation in free space condition. First of all, I am going to write the Maxwell's equation in point form in time varying field. Okay, the divergence of electric flux density is equal to volume charge distribution from Gauss's law. Then the divergence of magnetic flux density is equal to 0. It is because of the non-existence of monopole magnet. Then the curl of electric field intensity is equal to the rate of change of magnetic flux density, that is from the Faraday's law. Then the curl of magnetic field intensity is equal to the sum of conduction current density and displacement current density. It is an Ampere's law with a modification by Maxwell's. Now for free space condition, rho v is equal to 0. J, that means the conduction current density is equal to 0. Simply substituting these two in this 4 Maxwell's equation, now we have del bar dot d bar is equal to 0. That means the divergence of electric flux density is equal to 0, divergence of magnetic flux density is equal to 0, the curl of electric field intensity is equal to minus dou b bar by dou t, the curl of magnetic field intensity is equal to just displacement current density, dou d bar by dt. Okay, now coming back to the next question, define skin depth or depth of penetration. It can also be called as skin depth or depth of penetration. Skin depth, it is denoted by this symbol. Okay, it is defined as the depth in which the wave gets attenuated to the value of 1 by epsilon or 36.78% of its original value. This is nothing but skin depth. Now coming back to the next question, state and express the Poynting theorem. State and express the Poynting theorem. Please refer 2019 supply video. Next, write down the distortion-less line. In the name itself it is clear, distortion-less line. It is a line which transmits the input signal without any distortion. Okay, for distortion-less line, R by L is equal to G by C. This is the condition you have to write. If you didn't write this condition, okay, they are not going to consider this question for your validation, right? Now coming back to the next question, define transmission line, explain different types of transmission line. Okay, transmission line are physical conductor systems which are useful to transfer electrical energy from one point to another point. That means the lines which are going to be transmit the electrical energy from one point to another point, those lines we are going to call as transmission lines. Now coming back to the types, we are having two-way transmission line, coaxial, parallel plate transmission line, strip line and microstrip line. Okay, now coming back to the next question, define voltage standing wave ratio. We have seen this definition in the relationship between VSWR and reflection coefficient. It is defined as the ratio of the magnitude of maximum voltage upon the magnitude of minimum voltage. Now coming back to the next question, differentiate between single stub matching and double stub matching. Don't forget, a stub is nothing but a piece of transmission line. Both are impedance matching techniques. Okay, single stub versus double stub. Here only one stub is used for impedance matching, two stubs are used. Impedance matching technique, it is also an impedance matching technique. Here because of single stub we have a less degree of freedom. Here because of two stubs we are having more degree of freedom. Okay, thank you very much students. Thank you.